Welcome to WebServers. In this video, we are going to implement routing in React.js. We will implement simple routing and then dynamic routing. We will also change page titles for better SEO. So let's start. First, install a React app. I will use Vite. npm create Vite @latest. Done. Go inside folder. Git bash here again. npm I. Install dependencies. Okay, we have to install two more packages. npm install React Router DOM, and React Helmet. Clear. npm install React-Helmet. Okay, run the app. npm run dev. App is running here. Copy the URL, paste in the browser, and here is our app. File, add folder to workspace. Open folder in VS Code. Remove unnecessary code. Okay, let's create components first. In src folder, new folder, components. Inside components, new file, home.jsx. New file, about.jsx. Contact.jsx. Notfound.jsx. nav.jsx for header, and then footer.jsx. Okay, let's add data, RFCE, and then here is a heading and a paragraph for home. Similarly, about page, will change the component name, about. Contact page, contact, RFCE, not found. Heading and text. All right, so these are our pages. And here is app.jsx file that is not displaying anything yet. So first, let's create navigation or header in nav.jsx. RFCE, nav component. Here we use class name, header menu, unordered list, li for LIs. Inside LIs, we have to use link. But for link, we will import NavLink from React Router DOM. Then we'll use here NavLink. And for home, its path will be to root. And then we'll apply active class, active, home path. Similarly for about, so root will be about or route, and then contact, and route will be /contact. Save. So this is the navigation. Copy it and paste it in footer as well. And I will change the name for the component, footer, and I'll export it as footer as well. Class for the footer will be footer. All right, so let's go to app.jsx. Here we will import browser router as router. So we're importing browser router as router for convenience and readability. And then routes component and route. Routes is container for route, and route is a single route. Okay, now we will import the components. Import nav from components /nav. Footer, home, about, contact, not found. Okay, so now this is our main area. Here at the top, we will use a router. This thing, main, that will cover the whole thing. Router, inside the router, we'll have our header, then content, and then footer. So header is this nav component, right? And footer is footer component. Then here we will use routes, and inside routes we'll have route for home, route for about. This is our content area. Let's enclose it in a div route. So for route, we'll use path slash for route. It defines the route path of our application. It's the default route that users will see when they visit the base URL of this website. Okay, after path, element, and here will be home. It means home component should be rendered when the URL matches this path. Okay, so this is the home path, and here will be the about component. Its path will be slash about. Contact, its path will be contact. And here, not found component, and its path will be static. Basically, if user will hit none of these routes, he will land on 404 page. Save. Alright, here's the app about contact home about contact. So it is working. Let's style it a bit. App.css for header menu UL, and footer UL. Flex, align item center, justify content center, margin padding 0, and list style type none. Let's style anchor links. These will have some padding and margin, border radius, color, and here's the hover state. That will be basically opposite. Background color and color will be changed. And then we have main area that will have some padding. And let me show you. Okay, see the active class. Class active is here. And this is about route. If I click here, the class will shift. Let's implement one more thing at the bottom. Simple link. This was NavLink. To apply active class, to apply simple links, we can import link from React Router DOM. And then I have imported helmet from React Helmet. For this purpose, inside return, I'll use this helmet, and inside I can specify title and meta description. So let's do this for all the pages. For about, contact, and not found. And let's copy this thing at the bottom. Simple links for contact page. For not found, we need this. Go back, link to default route. And now helmet, about, contact page, not found page. All right, let's see. Here, let's do one thing. Let's increase the font and text line center should go. And now it's a bit better. Okay, see home. See now page title is home. And now it's about. And now it's contact. And these are regular links. And this is navigation. And yeah, if I hit a random page, it will be 404, not found. And then we can click back to go back to home page. Okay, now this is simple routing. How about dynamic routing? So let's implement dynamic routing. To do that, we need two more components, products.jsx and product.jsx. Let's do products first. RFCE. Here we will also import helmet and link. Here is the helmet. After helmet, just the heading products and some text. And then here is a simple navigation to product 1, product 2, and product 3. So let's import it. Products. And let's use it. After home, products. Path will be products. And there will be change in navigation. Products. products. Same link will go in footer as well after home. Save. Here we have it, products. Let me do one more thing. Index.css. I do not want it flex. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so this is products page. Now, basically, if I click product one, page for product one should be displayed. So this is the dynamic routing concept. To do that, we'll go here. Let's create product page first. RFCE, product page. Here again, we will use helmet, and at the top, we need this thing, helmet link, and this import use params from React Router DOM. Use params. We'll have to get this parameter from use param. So now we can use this PID here, and this will become like this. And for the link back to products, and page content will be this product PID and then some text. So what is PID here? Let's go here. Let's call product page, import it. And then here a dynamic route will be added. Its path will be /product/PID :PID. This is that PID that is being accessed there to distinguish between different pages or pages IDs. Right? We're importing use params. Then from use params, we are destructuring and accessing this ID that we are using below. So let's see. Products, product one. This is product one. See the title. Back, product two. Back, product three. Yep, it is working. So this is simple routing with dynamic routing with a little bit of SEO. But here SEO is different. This is React.js. You see here products title is being displayed. But if I view page source, you see here title is still web style press. So we are able to show or change the title here visibly. But actually in the source, it's the same coming from here, from index.html. That is because it is not server-side rendering. It is client-side rendering. To handle SEO properly and to change title and descriptions properly, we'll have to use Next.js. So in React.js, we are kind of limited in this area. So there you go. Simple routing, dynamic routing with React.js. I'll provide the code in description, and the code will be separate. Code for the simple routing will be separate, and the code for dynamic routing will be separate. All right. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.